When people gather, discourse happens. Ideas are shared, questions are asked, and perspectives evolve. But in large classrooms, lecture halls, and meeting spaces, being heard isn't always easy. Distance, room acoustics, background noise, changing seating layouts. Presenters strain to be heard. Collaborators hesitate to contribute. Audiences in the back row or across the room miss critical details. But traditional solutions don't always help. Gooseneck mics impede room layout flexibility. Passing microphones slows discussions. Wearable microphones create complexity. Technology meant to support communication can end up disrupting it. What if everyone in the room could simply speak and be heard clearly? Introducing Parlé Voice Lift, a powerful new capability built within Parlé ceiling microphones and Tessera signal processing solutions. Parlé Voice Lift delivers clear, conversational-level audio to everyone in the room. No handheld microphones, no body packs, and no gooseneck limitations. Just natural conversation, clearly heard everywhere. Parlé ceiling microphones capture voices naturally from anywhere in the room and deliver conversational-level output to everyone in the space or listening remotely. Beam locking technology allows microphone beams to be precisely aimed and controlled, so they stay clear of loudspeaker zones while focusing on the people speaking. And with the TCM-X ring light, installers can easily see beam positions and activity during setup. Advanced frequency shifting feedback suppression keeps conversations clear and natural, even in acoustically challenging rooms. The result is higher gain before feedback and reliable speech reinforcement throughout the space. Presenters can focus on their message, not microphones. They can move naturally, gesture freely, and engage with their audience. Audience members and meeting participants can ask questions from wherever they're seated, speaking comfortably at a normal conversational level. The system seamlessly transitions between presenters and participants, keeping discussions fluid and natural. Behind the scenes, Parlé Voice Lift also turns complexity into simplicity, with tools that streamline mix-minus calculations. Build system designs from simple inputs and set crosspoints, gain values, and labels in bulk. What once required days of setup can now be completed in hours, with fewer components, fewer failure points, and minimal ongoing management. Parlé Voice Lift is built on more than 50 years of Biamp innovation in professional audio, combining trusted technology, industry-leading support, and fully integrated audio solutions. Because technology should elevate discourse, not derail it. Parlé Voice Lift. Clear voices, natural conversations, extraordinary communication.